personally, I'm most excited about catching up with all my friends across the community, the amazing people that come to KubeCon, the amazing experts that all get together here across the whole cloud native ecosystem. The technology is really exciting, but it's also the people who build the technology that makes it worth being here.
What is Isovalent showing on the floor? What do people get excited about on the floor?
So we just recently released the Isovalent Enterprise version 1.16, and we're going to be showing lots of different demos of different features. Some of the things like the ability to connect multiple clusters, to connect to external workloads, runtime security with the Tetragon components of the platform. So all of those things are going to be visible on the booth, and yeah, we're going to have some really great lightning talks as well. So there's a lot going on our booth.